On this video I want to show you how I can refill a WD-40 can. I can put diesel in and use it as a spray can. What I've done is empty the can out, I filled it with water and took the water out so there's no gas in there, it can blow up. Drill about 8mm hole in the side, got wire brush, clean it all down, got this old wheel valve, and just simply weld it onto, solder it on. When that cools down, it's a really good spring join. All I've got to do is put a little funnel in, fill it with diesel, put the valve back in, wherever it's gone, and then pressurise it with the compressor, and I'll be able to use it as a refillable can. But of course, also just use it as a air can to blow dust away and stuff. But it's a good thing, you could reuse old cans and stuff like this. Don't know what else we use it for, but it could come in handy for something. Alright, thanks for watching.